Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be analyzing. Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I personally do my analysis before taking an entry. Alright, so here as you can see, this is step index. Alright, so how I do my analysis, first of all, I go to the daily time frame. Right, the reason why I go to the daily time frame is because I want to know the overall trend of the market and how to go about it. Alright, so now here on the daily time frame, I will first of all identify the current trend that we are in. So as you can see now, we are currently in an uptrend, right? So now that we have known the trend that we are, right, first thing that I'll do is that I'll go to the 4 hours time frame. Right, here on the 4-hour time frame, what I will be doing is that I'll be identifying the most recent support and resistance zone, and here is what I can see here now. Right, this is what I can see here on the 4 hours time frame. Right, there is a support and resistance zone here, and then the next support and resistance zone I can see here is this one right here. Alright, that's the next support and resistance zone I can see. So after identifying it, let me go to the 1 hour time frame and see what's going on there. So here on the 1 hour time frame, what I do is that I will properly draw my zones. Alright, this is not just a line, this is a zone. Okay, so you need to make sure you identify it so that you know what you are doing. Right, you are going to have a better understanding of what the market is trying to do. Alright, so that's what I'm trying to currently do now, trying to currently identify the zone so that I know what the market is doing. So now that I've identified the zone, the next thing is that I'll go to a lower time frame to see what's playing out there. So here on the 30-minute time frame, I can see a counter downtrend here, right? And I'm going to identify it right now. So you can see there's a counter downtrend on your 30-minute time frame. So I'll draw my counter trend line. So now I can also spot a support and resistance zone here, because guys, as I always say, I'm a scalper, and what I try to do is to get the most recent move. Right, I don't want to hold for long, so I need a quick entry and a quick exit. So that's what I'm trying to identify. So here on this zone, all right, you can see that currently on the 30-minute time frame we are in a downtrend, right? So what I'm currently looking out for now is a sell trade. Right, and let me check something on the 5-minute time frame and see what's going on there. Okay, I can't just enter. Right, so here on the 5-minute time frame, this is what I would do. Alright, I'm going to draw a trend line here. Okay, now before I take any entry here, right, this is what I want to happen. It's either price go up here, break this counter trend line, retest it, and then continue to the upside, or I will want price to break this trend line here, retest it, and then continue to the downside. So currently now I will not be taking any entry because it's not safe for me. Alright, so these are the two things I want to happen before taking any entry. Let me check the 1 minute time frame and see what's going on there. Right, so as you can see here on the 1 minute time frame, right, price is currently heading up. Right, that's break our zone. Alright, it's heading up. Alright, now this is why risk management is very important. Alright, this market is all about risk management. Now I can decide to buy, right, and I can decide to buy from this place right now, buy, and my TP level is going to be somewhere here, and my stop loss is going to be below here, right? So if price did not go my way, what am I even doing? Let me buy this thing. I need to take this by the lowest lot, right? And my TP is going to be somewhere here, right? This is a quick $5. No, and the stop loss is going to be somewhere here. This is what I will be risking here. And this is what I want to risk here, 3.50 cents, and my TP is going to be 4.90. That's approximately $5. Alright, so I'm okay with this. But normally I shouldn't be taking any trade there, but who knows, it might go my way and it might go against me. And if it goes against me, I already know what to do. I'm going to be selling till this area here. If it comes, hit my stop loss, I'll wait for the retest to go, and then I'll sell down here. Right, so this is how we play with the market. All right, we just wait for price to get into our trap, and then the most important thing is just the risk management. Right, if it doesn't go your way, then your stop loss is going to stop you out, and if it goes your way, you are going to milk the money. So that is how we do this thing, guys. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay, so this is what I have for you guys today. So if you get value from this video, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Alright, so that's it, guys. Silver out.